Hello, I am Satish, Director Technical at Botaat Engineers Private Limited. Me, along with my friend Mr. Harish, started the company Botaat Engineers Private Limited in the year 2023. Our main goal for starting Botaat was to support the new startups and the prototyping industry. So we wanted to deliver parts on a very quick basis so that people can validate their designs and then move on for mass production.
Hi, I'm Harish. I'm the Sales Director at Botaat Engineers Private Limited. The main focus was to support startups by providing prototypes and address their low volume requirements. And gradually we have evolved to a situation where now we take care of complete from design to manufacturing requirements of the startups.
Most of the files that we get from customers are raw. They need some additions to be done. So always talking to customer, coming back again, doing the addition was a little cumbersome task for us. So we decided, why don't we have SolidWorks within our own facility, so that this will help us in reducing the lead times in making these parts. So we took the license this year for SolidWorks. We have Mr. Megharaj with us, who's well trained. So any files that come to us, we initially modify them. We check whether the file is accurate, and then we go ahead for 3D printing or vacuum casting. So this has helped us reduce the lead times of delivering the parts to customers.
Hi, I am Megharaj from Botaat. I am working as a design manager. Before using SolidWorks, we are facing issues in opening a step file and not able to do feature recognition. Once we are using a SolidWorks, easy to open step files and feature recognition easy, and SolidWorks is a user-friendly software. Conceptually Connect, they are providing a training, and there are any problems with SolidWorks or anywhere, we call, they will respond immediately and resolve the problem. Thank you, Conceptually Connect.